Alright, in this video I'm going to show you just how to fix an issue you might run into while running into your Project 3 or any other Windows Form program. So Event Handler is very nice because you can just click on the button and make a event pop up right here, and that is wonderful and you can edit the event. But if you're in the design right here and you accidentally say click on the text box, all of a sudden you're going to have an event pop up that you don't want. Okay? While you don't need to delete this event, if you do try to delete it, you'll find a problem when you start your program. It's going to say there were build errors. No. And then when you go back to the design form, it's going to show this. Okay? This is very annoying. And I just want to show you how to very quickly fix that. So, let's go back here, undo the change, and go back to our designer. And all we want to do is find the item that we assigned the event to. Click on it. Right here, it's the text pasta salad box. Go over here. Just click on events in this box right here. It's in the properties, and you'll see that all of the events, all right here with the events that are tied to it. So all we need to do, go to the designer, go here, you can have this, but you just erase the event from here, just backspace it, and now when you start,